performed ng campus tour.
Live or live?
Nano mo sa Spotify, yes. Yes, we're almost hitting 10K monthly listeners.
Guys, go check out our My Love music video on YouTube, and you can also listen to it to Spotify and Apple Music.
And please follow
all of our
social media accounts.
it's at Aradat.
It's at Hara.official page.
Yeah,
Hi, Jay. Yeah, I remember you.
How did you guys start?
From the beginning.
In the beginning. There was an audition post, so we auditioned like... Actually, kaming 5. Si Kay yung hindi nag-audition. It's just that si Jenny, hindi nakapunta sa... Batch 1 and batch 3, hindi siya pumunta kasi may wala-wala kayo. So kami nag-audition kami and then we scouted Yanni and Kay.
I'm scouted, guys.
Girl Scout.
From mag-debut na mo, guys. Watch out for our debut.
Yes.
Hi, Maki.
To be announced soon.
So check out our social media accounts.
And don't forget to stream.
Guys, comment nyo daw kung taga saan kayo.
Where are you guys? Taga LA.
Hi.
Hi, Cara. Hi, Maki.
Taga ano po guys? Taga US.
From Manila.
USA. Unahan si
Do you have plans on releasing Bisaya songs? Yes, soon.
Yes.
Of course. From Cebu. Oh, Tagatorin. Tagatorin.
Maganda di taga Davao din.
Ate Kay, nagtapos
From the
sa
puso
script.
niya eh.
Kahit pa na po sa notes. Ikaw si Hara Kay, tapos baba na. Hello! Hello sa inyo. Yes, I'm Hara Kay.
Guys, can you hear the background music ba? We're at the studio kasi so please don't mind. Tell us lang if you can't hear us.
Shout out Rosette. Rosette pa. Kamusta na? Kaina? Sige, ina na.
Yes, naay ngayon. Ano dyan din no? Pag like, dapat viewers, ka na mag-listen na pagtanaw sa comments. Pre-debut niyo yung My Love, yes.
Yes po, pre-debut na ako ang
And you can stream po sa Spotify and Apple Music.
Hello, Reake. So, kaya atin at minutes sila. Kami yung pinakabata. Oh, mga scroll up. They're using my phone.
I miss you random live at
Live,
night
magpapita
kasi
ba?
yung campus taga live.
Hinahanap ka. Eh, ganyan na lang.
Dali na kayo kong live. Dali na ko sa... Here guys, nakita niyo na ako. Sorry.
Wow, champion ako.
Congratulations!
Oh, congrats!
Paano yung video? Tag-us para makita na mga video.
Congrats!
Congrats ulit. Yung tag us, di ba yung Afro segment ng
Ay,
My
oo ba
Love? Volleyball player, mala, yes.
Volleyball player siya, guys.
Guys, go natin try natin na 100K likes.
Guys, please also na-stop yung music video views namin. So stream it again.
Let's try to hit 500K MLUs.
Let's go.
Kaya ba yun? Kaya ba yun daw guys? Sophia.
Charlotte and Sophia. Angelo.
Sophia.
Kasi
Over ba sa reaction ko? Ate mo.
yes, soon.
Mag-debut na nga.
Abangan.
21 ako. Hindi na ako makadebut.
Girls, tayo na gasto. Thoughts ninyo sa na-avoided attachment. Ayun kasi yung mga thoughts ninyo, please. Ate Kay, kamis your live nga late na pero nag-get ready with me pa tas mag-delay real. I miss my my content creator era.
Yes, we're complete. Ayan. 6 out of 6.
Oh, ano ba? Slay kayo ang dance practice ata nyo yun. Sige daw, i-cover daw. Guys, nag-kuha na ba kasi ito, My Love Dance Challenge.
Tagalog lang, Tagalog.
Ay, sorry.
Did you guys do our My Love Dance Challenge na? Don't forget to tag us, guys.
Yes.
So I can repost it para makita ng everyone.
Every two and every three. Every four.
Ayan.
G, I'm a
So,
fan.
ano pa reason?
You're not a fan,
Bakit?
you're a true fan. Thank you so much po
Ano pa reason or background sa Hara na name ko?
Go, Sheena.
Go.
Sheena, paso? Hara comes from the word po kasi na raha. Ang meaning po ng raha is elegant, strong, and royal vibes, which suits in our branding. And yung raha po is ginagamit siya dito sa Philippines during pre-colonial period. So, yun. Doon po galing yung name na
Thank
Hara.
you very much, candidate number 1.
Ano na lang kayo?
Atras kayo, pwede nyo makalaya na sa chair.
Or di nyo mag-tayo
Hindi,
or ipato na sa chair.
Atras lang para pang-visit
Count to say po, Hurricane.
Hurricane.
K po.
Teluren?
Cheeky guys.
Atras ka daw,
May
Bebe.
fandom name na ba?
Kayo guys, what do you suggest?
Comment.
Guys, kung may suggestion kayo sa fandom name, Haramping.
Harap.
Actually, Haramping is our outro.
Haramping.
Haramping.
Pero like, naging joke na binigay mo sa'yo.
Sino po
Yeah.
pinaka-clingy sa inyo? Not me.
Ako si Akay Ate Lori.
Ako po, silang dua.
Go, ask you guys na who's most likely.
Go, pwede ka.
Para magbulgaran kami dito.
Sesa tamo. Uy, diba na yung nag-suggest dahil Sesa daw.
Sesa?
Prinsesa.
Ah!
Sino pinaka-makulit?
Sino tagaan?
Sino ang
Si
pinaka-makulit?
Ate Kay!
Yani! Sino to ka? Sila tatlo. Sila Yani.
Si Tashi.
Dili. Yani. Si Ate
I'm
Lori.
handsome ng show.
Who's most likely to talks a lot sa Hara? Si Yani.
Main
Her
yappers.
mom. Yes.
Hi, Crystal. I'm a fan since day one. Basta in live na late.
Who's most likely to stay late at night? Ito, dalawa. At saka ito.
Sino ako?
Ito now, kasi nagla-live siya until 5 a.m. Me din. Bilang ko rin.
Di nila alam guys ha.
Si Ate Ay naman, nagsasabi siya ng good morning ng 4 a.m. pero wala pa siyang tulog.
Mga te, in fairness, ang galing niyo sa UN, ha?
Oh, thank
Thank
you!
you so much.
Thank you!
We'll
Yan yung
perform
award.
sana ulit and of course, we'll give better performance.
Pinaka-nonchalant. Ate
Oh!
Lori.
Guys, kung may event kayo sa school niyo, baka pwede kami invite, please reach out to our social media accounts so we can take care of the arrangement po.
Sino pinaka-maldita? Si Ate Ay.
Guys, sinong may tinatagong aklang humor sa inyo? Akla humor.
Akla humor. Sino ba?
Sino? Si Ate Kay. Si Yani.
Si Yani. Brainrot at saka
Siya po.
akla humor.
Tago lang mo na.
Tago lang.
Ano, balik-balik lagi sa kinsay pinaka-maldita.
Si Bloy.
Si Blood.
Si Bloy.
Si Ate Lori.
Ako tanan.
Si Yani.
Ako tanan.
Sheena.
Basta wala ko dira.
Si Sheena.
Who's most likely chronically online?
Si Yani at saka si Ate Kay. Si Sila talaga dalawa.
Huh?
May marami silang
Chronic
name
Kuya
na alam na
Online.
hindi namin alam.
Yo, kumakain ka ng sitaw.
Sino pinaka-cute sa inyo? Walang cute guys, si Tashi. Actually,
Ay, guys, kumakain ka ba ng sitaw?
pinakamatao. Si Tashi at si Ate Kay.
Me.
Sino magaling magluto?
Me.
Ako! Ako na rin. Joke. Guys, kumakain ka ng sitaw para di ka bibitaw. My name, Ricardo Sean. O, diba? Trainer. Representing Great It Humility. Mabuhay! Sino pinama...
Grade 8. Sige, to.
Humility.
Grade 8. Humility.
Sino ang...
Cosplayer ako and then pati si Ate Ay. So, nagkikita kami
connections na, but hindi kami yung close na
na
before.
wala kaming interaction actually dati. Like, nakikita ko lang siya sa
Event.
conventions.
For our 80 viewers, let's reintroduce na lang kung may nagsabi. Pwede po pa-introduce oldest to young, ano yun? Oldest to youngest. Sige.
Oldest to youngest.
Oldest to youngest.
Hi, I'm Lori.
Hi, I'm Kay.
Hi, I'm I. Hi, I'm Yani.
Hello, this is Live.
Hi, I'm Tashi.
Kami di
uh,
Can you guess our age?
Wait lang.
Age.
Kami di Ay.
You don't deserve my love.
Gracious.
Napadok ko yung lahi. Guys, both of my parents are Filipino sila, pero akong mama kay naa siya Chinese side lang good. So, dili din ako makonsider akong self na naay lahi. Pero sa akong mother side is mga jud may mga anak gudog mata. So, I guess dili ko half murag na rin, kanang murag na rin, dugo, murag ambot lang.
So, somewhere in her blood, may Chinese.
Siguro nasa lapalap.
Maybe here. Ilong daw si Lori, pwede ba daw siya magsabas?
Ako Chinese side.
Hilom ka.
Yes, guys, as we said, siya talaga nonchalant siya eh.
Pati sa GC, very nonchalant and super Mia, parang ghost lang sa GC.
Napay
Sa
nag-eskwela
convention namin, meron naman siya, but you know. Hello?
Guys, na pa ba doon nag-eskwela sa akin? Kami tatlo.
Ako.
Kami tatlo.
Hi, Ivy! Matagal po kayo nag-train? Yes.
Almost 2 years.
Iba-iba kasi, di ba? Kay late sila nagpasok.
Yeah.
May 2 years pa,
After,
may 1 year.
after 3 months. 3 years. Tapos after 5 months or 4 months, yan.
Pero overall together is almost 2 years.
Magto 2 years this July. This July. Diba?
Is Hara really designed as a 6-member group lang po?
We were originally 7 members po, but we decided na it would be better to keep it like 6 lang po.
Same management lang po ba sa iyo?
Yes, we're from Unique
Unique
Music.
management.
Sino pinaka-maarte? Ano, like Kikay or
Like Marte in a bad way?
Marte in ano, Clean Freak? Sige, sino pinaka-Kikay?
Feel ko sa
Kikay kasi Tashi at sa
Kay
Kay.
and Tash.
Pero if lead something is for me kasi live.
Sorry guys. Kung maghahanap kayo ng alcohol, wipes, tissue, andito lang ako. I volunteer.
Daddy, what's Hara po?
For our upcoming events, please follow our social media accounts because we're gonna post there soon kung when kami siya shows. So, yeah. Go check it out. Our Facebook, Instagram.
Na-LSS ko sa IG story sa backstage kapag i-wash up ang my love ko. Wow!
Yeah.
I give my love.
Pinanganak
Ako may corona. I don't wanna tell my love.
Ano yun?
Guys, more than awesome.
Yes.
Sumaya siya.
Fave drinks daw. I know si Ate Kay is coffee.
Yes,
Ate Kay is
coffee. I
coffee.
love coffee so much.
Ito siya, lukewarm water si Ate Lori.
Yeah, water lang.
Water.
True,
Me,
that's
recently is mango shake.
Mango shake. Mango shake, Mountain Dew, si Bly, water.
Yeah, water. Actually, water is life.
Pero mahilig rin mag-coffee si Bly. Coffee, water.
Okay, positions daw. Name then position. Go, Ate Lori.
Ate Lori.
I'm Lori. I'm the
Vocalist.
The vocalist. My name is Tashi. I'm the youngest and main rapper.
Yani, dancer, vocalist. Vocalist! Maano din ko na vocalist din. Masunod siya sa mga.
I'm I'm the leader, visual, and dancer.
I'm Kay. I'm the main vocal and rapper. And the loudest. Loudest in the room. Hello everyone, this is Blight. I'm the main dancer and vocalist. Yeah! Vocalist? Who is the leader po? Sino bebot ikaw ang kakaibig line sa inyo? Actually, hindi pa. Pero sige go. Sige go. Yung bebot, alam ko na sino yung tuturo mo.
Si Bly.
Eh, pwede naman multiple.
Si Bly, ug si...
Si Blight. Si Blight.
Ate Kay, Bebot, Ate Kay.
Sino ang kakaibig? Ano ba yan?
Think ko si Ate Ai. Si Ate Ai.
Kakaibig si...
Pati si Ate Lori.
Oo, sila doon. Tapos kayo Kika.
Si?
Ikaw di ba?
Bench, ano ba? Bebek.
Kikoy.
Ah, Bebo.
Pera.
Kikay kate. Kuket ka.
Poket
Poket
si
ka.
Colorful.
Ano yung ate?
So, bebot, kakaibig, and kikay.
Partner.
Pre-debut po namin yung My Love.
Parang si Mano yung
Guys, check out mo sa...
Guys, andito sila.
Guys, umalis kasi si Mano. Andito oh.
Natuto na siya mag-Tagalog.
Lumipat siya sa harap.
Hello po. Hi sa well.
Yeah, youngster na ako. Hindi ako ano.
Youngster na.
Meron!
Me, matcha lover.
I love matcha too.
Sorry.
Depende yung matcha.
Me, I love matcha. Me, LDT.
Me, depende. Pero kami ni Ate
fans.
I and Biz, hindi kami umiinom ng coffee. Instead,
Yeah.
Uy, yung post
Volleyball player, yes.
Fave food malapit na kayo mag 500k. Yes, guys.
Yes, guys.
please stream My Love.
Streaming na.
You can stream My Love on YouTube, guys, and Spotify and Apple Music.
Yes. Share it on your story, your post. Ganun, tag
And comment
us.
your reaction sa comment section sa music.
Fave
Sa
food
comment
daw.
section.
Fave down below. Fave food daw. Fave.
Like food, I
Anything.
like. Yeah, I like a lot of food.
Hindi ako
so.
picky eater.
Ay! Yeah.
Lahat. Ako spaghetti.
Anything chicken.
Di kami picky eater.
Pizza!
Actually,
want
hindi kami
spaghetti.
picky eater, guys.
Yeah.
Kung anong ibigay niyo sa amin, kakain namin.
Na ano yung individual fun days day mo?
Yes, we have.
Sige.
Sige to ko.
May mga handle na ng akin.
Wala.
Akin is Kisses.
Wala.
Yanin natin.
Yan din natin.
Heartlings.
Heartlings.
Yanin natin.
Ay, sige nga. Sa ano, fandom names. Cute blurs. Oh, yeah.
Blurs.
Wait, sa fandom names naman. Sige, yan.
Yanin natin.
Hi,
Heartlings. Glorious yun.
Ako is Kisses.
Ako hindi ko sure. Pero
Di
sabi
ba-
nila glorious daw.
Cute yung cat. Glory.
Look at
Glorious.
Cute na.
What do you think? Glorious.
Mine is lovely. Fandom nila.
Wala akong fandom name. Hindi ko pa alam.
Si
BS, please. Like BLYS.
I don't know what's mine. Siguro, Kikay.
Kikay.
Yani natin. Hi mga yani natin.
Ako, Lore natin.
Chickies and patties daw yung
Chiki and Patty.
Chickies and patties.
Sino nag...
Ay, sorry ba?
Guys, ano ako guys? Bayani ang bayani.
We don't have a fan chat.
Baby, it's alright!
Is it like fan chat yung names ng number?
Ay, mga gamers.
Si Ate Bly, please po. BLYSS.
Hey, gamer!
Yes, please.
Who's the main dancer?
I'm the main dancer. Ay, kumanta siya. Kumanta siya.
Nasa siya basta siya first. No.
Who is the main vocalist? Oh, sayang. Who's the main vocalist? Me.
Bokay is so
Vocalist.
Thank you.
Ito na bang cast natin?
Wow, happy 107 viewers.
Nandito po si Sophia, guys.
Nag-roll box ka
Sophia.
ba? Yes po, nag-roll box
Hi,
ka.
guys.
What's ito? Roll box?
I love the performance of your
Wow.
poster. Thank you ulit. Super performance.
Thank you, guys! Click naman, maraming nag-watch ng live.
Hi, 100 viewers!
Round off. Kumain po kayo, it's 9:15.
Example sa main vocalist.
Guys, wait lang, mag-yappers ako ka doon. Kay gi-ask ko na kung ano, so daw ako ginadula sa Roblox. So ako ginadula sa Roblox, katugong. Ako ginadula sa Roblox, katugong karaoke na magpindot ka, like, basta karaoke, game siya niya, magpindot ka, yeah, pwede mag-donate ang mga viewers, ang mga nagdula ito dito kaya. Mo to guys, di ba, hindi mo ko nagagastos sa game o Roblox or Roblox, no? Ito game. Naka-yearn ko ka ng mga donation good. Di ba ito nakapalit ko o avatar.
Ang gina-play na ako sa Rollbox kay ano, sa itong deep sea diver, something. Swimming ako sa Ay, Bisaya mo nag-ask. So,
Ay, sorry. Comment down guys, tagasan kayo.
May kambal sa inyo? Yun na ito sila.
Ito guys. Joke lang. Masig seryoso. Hindi po, magkamukha lang po.
They're
Taga Manila.
wow! Wow! Saan na lagyan ng studio? Wow! 10:58? Ano? Pero feel ko na this.
Hello Kuya JM.
Nagkasinabot ito gawa yung dua kabunso. Kami dua. Sinabot mo dua.
Si Ate Lori, kayo sa kita
Si Yani at Lori, akala ko dati.
yan yung sinasabi ng maraming tao.
Actually guys, na magkamukha
First,
para sa
kita nila sa Hara, ganun. Like, kambal pa rin. Kambal pa rin sila.
Tapos parang parang sila yung ano dito, yung mga makni.
Yes, salamat. Ay,
No, please Ate Lori. Yung baby kitchen face.
Or baby ate. Baby ate.
kahit na
Ay,
short
ano,
hair
ano,
mo si Telori. Ang
Yeah,
mga sila niya.
Actually, yun di ba yung ano?
May... Wow! Thank you for the bear. Sa sticker.
BTS ng my love.
TMI, what do you mean? Like, there's, ano na, we enjoyed the journey. Yung ano, like, first time namin mag-shoot ng ganun talaga. So, it was very fun and like, new experience. And like, first time namin mag-work with a lot of people. So, ayun. It was very fun.
Wala na kasi Nina from Twice. Actually, parang ako na-realize.
abangan niyo po yung new music namin. I-release. So,
Three here, three there. Hi, sis.
Hi, Ella.
When the next music release? Abangan.
I don't know.
Check out our social media.
Yeah, so don't forget to follow our all social media platform.
Thank you po sa gift. Is that a
Yes,
cat?
thank you to everyone who's sending us gifts. Guys, comment down what's your favorite part sa My Love.
Yes.
If hindi nyo pa na-watch, go watch it now para sali kayo sa comments.
Nangalay mo.
They want to change.
Ay, may nagasa sa dyan. Harmonize daw sa... Harmonize kayo ng right away. No.
Send lion sticker.
Mag-carbonize na. Wow, thank you po.
Guys, you can ask question ha. Magchikahan eh. Chika-chika tayo.
My heart's so...
It's my love. My love so sweet.
Coach
And
Andre Amper po yung ano namin.
choreographer.
Choreographer po sa My Love. Di ko na kailangan magpaliwanag na ko ang liwanag sa iyong dilim. Ang tanging bituin na di mo kayang abutin.
You don't?
Ah, thank you po.
How old are you guys?
Secret, hulaan niyo po.
Yeah, try to guess or range. If alam nyo na, don't spoil it.
Wow, thank you po.
Thank you po. Murag triplets ko tulo sa baba. Actually guys, ako ba...
Oo.
Loading.
Ayun na nga tulo.
Actually, ay Bisaya ba na nag-comment? Ako, if
Murag
nalabas
ito,
kami
triplets.
ni Ate Lori is tinatanong din kami kung kambal ba ka.
Hindi, magkapatid. Sa atin, magkapatid. Kami kaya ni Kambal.
Ay, oo, magkapatid.
Magkapatid.
Same kasi sila ng mga mata, guys.
Chinita lang.
Bias, Nori!
Guys, nagkaon na mo.
Yes, kumain na ba kayo guys? Anong ulam nyo?
Tantado.
Intro daw.
It's alright. It's alright.
Ayaw mo namang mahirap ang kausap.
Yun.
True audition. Yes po, nag-audition po kami. 4. And then si Ate Kay and Ate Yadi is na-scout.
Murag mag-girl boy auto-tune. Baba and mataas na pitch.
Thank you
Like
po.
your song, thank you.
Thank you po. Keep streaming My Love. It's out on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Music. Actually po, si Bly is... Si Bly ba daw pinaka-tahimik?
Ako?
If...
Hindi po
Hindi po.
pinakatahimik.
If sa personal is...
Si Ate Lori po talaga.
Magkapatid talaga yung nasa baba. hindi lang nila alam kung si Lori at Yani.
True. Sinayaw ko po yung My Love. Tag us po para makita namin.
Kilala ko si Blight since meeting. Well, hello.
Sa Iron Wars ko mag-film yung MD. No po, we filmed sa 1990.
1990X.
Nikay, hear us with our song.
Happy birthday!
Joanna. Happy birthday, advance happy birthday, Joanna.
Advance happy birthday,
Paano
Joanna.
there you go?
Advance happy birthday, Joanna!
Sorry. May pakapin. Nakat kasi may limit ang pamilya.
Mahirap po ba
Mahirap po ba mag-formation sa 6 members? At first, mahirap po talaga, pero na parang nasanay kami. Feeling ko mas mahirap
Actually,
There's parang nakuha na namin yung system kasi
Yes.
may isa talagang natatabunan saglit or merong parang sumisilip lang. But that's okay naman kasi everyone has like their spotlights.
pero yeah, we try so hard talaga na hindi matabunan.
Yeah. So ayun, given formation, sina-adjust namin to make sure na yung sumisilip lang na member, hindi naman ganun kapag.
Yeah. Kinsa choreographer ninyo?
Si Kuya Hams, Andre Hamper.
Yes.
Actually, nagka-class po siya sa backstage. So, you can
Actually,
check it out.
Yeah, you can check out his account. He posted our run together when he
Yes.
when he taught
May camp din siya, guys, sa backstage.
Yeah, you can follow Backstage PH
Yes.
for classes, guys.
Mommy, who's Hara po?
It's a good anak.
But mommy, that's Auntie
Daddy.
Yani, Auntie Toshi, Auntie Lori, Auntie Ari.
Ay, natuwa yung buo sila. Yes, we're complete.
Yeah.
We'll try to do this more often, guys. It's just that we're busy with trainings, but yun, we'll try to make time.
With you
gonna
guys.
make time with you guys.
Sana, i-manifest nyo na next live namin, hindi kami nasa studio. Sa gala kami, ganun.
Jinsa si mommy sa daddy.
Si Blay.
Huh?
Ha?
Kinsa si mommy sa daddy ni Sarah po. Si Blay.
Ako yung mommy. Ako yung mommy daw. Sabi, si Yani yung nagano. And that's mommy! Mommy! I'm open up. Nilalaki pa dyan yung voice. I'm open up. Si Ate Lori daw. Nababa siya dyan.
Sana more vlogs po sa inyo.
Lori!
Yes!
Yes, follow all of our social media platform, guys, kasi mag-upload kami ng vlog.
Ako mag-edit, guys.
Soon. Follow nyo na ha. Nalugo. Minecraft? Sa... Nag-debut na po ba ang Hara? Hindi pa po.
Guys, Ate Lori has to work.
Yes, I need to go na guys. Thank you for watching.
Say bye-bye na
Bye,
to
guys.
Ate Hara, guys. Ate Hara? Ate Lori.
See you soon guys. May work pa ako.
Are you all in love po? We're in love with the monster.
Music.
Bye. Bye everyone.
Bye,
Bye.
ate! Bye-bye!
Sabi niya, are you in love po? We're in love with each other. We're in love with each other and we're in love with the monster.
Your music is so good po. Ginamit
Thank
namin
you.
sa music nyo for our
For
P-pop dance. Wow.
Tag us po!
Was there a P-pop dance competition?
Yeah.
Please tag us. We'd love to watch.
If mag-cover kayo ng My Love, guys, tag us para makita na.
Okay,
Bye!
Bye everyone!
Guys, aalis natin si Ate Kay.
Yes,
Bye
sir.
everyone!
I think because I still have schoolwork 9:30, so
9:30.
Bye everybody!
love you guys.
Bye guys. Di ko magkaalam.
Hi guys! So right now, very
Blackpink
ganda
kami.
ng dito.
Blackpink na ngayon.
Outfit check. This is from
Outfit check.
Outfit check. Okay, ako first. Outfit check. Outfit check. Bangkerohan. Ay! Illustrate.
Outfit check. Ako guys. Uniqlo, Ate Ira. Ate Ira. Ako, Ira. Ewan ko kasi.
Outfit check. Shein, Papa, Mama.
Actually, Blights, another Blights,
Cats icon.
another Blights.
Army dancer.
Hi guys, ask question.
So yun, naging Blackpink kami from Cats Icon Blackpink. Guys, we're gonna end the live in 15 minutes.
Iba-iba kayo ng style. Actually,
Yeah.
Actually, super like
Angel, my love.
Minanganak na may
Corona, I don't wanna say my love.
love it.
We're sorry. Okay, how much was the house?
It's a midnight sun kissing under the red sky, lay on the chest like this. Hold me like my paddle in my hands, initial in the sand. Summer isn't over yet. Skinny teachers in the heart, it's a little hard. I'm gonna tell now, but the never-ending midnight sun.
sino ang top 3 international solo artist niyo?
International Jenny.
Guess.
Sabrina. Ariana.
Ami, Ariana, Chapel Roan.
Akala ko si Blight may lahi din. May lahi talaga.
Come on.
I have
Yes, she's
Latina, baby.
Ariana.
Ano, 1/4 Latina.
Kalimut ako guys.
Ako. Sige.
Doc Yapi lang. Di ba si ano? Si Doc Yapi.
Surgery.
Oh, you think ano kami? You think Greta Cana kami? Thank you for the compliment.
Ang lahi ko is Manananggal.
Lahi po namin ano? Bisaya.
Half Manananggal.
Hi guys. Kaaliw naman daming nanonood at this hour.
Kanta kayo ng Touch.
Ang aking touch, 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 touch.
I think yung ginamit ng touch na
Gani.
Katong i-perform na.
I know. Just a touch midnight sun, kiss, get under the red sun, laying on your chest like this. Hold me like a rose in your hand.
Ano kila?
Touch? Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet all week. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love.
Sabi ko, t-shirt.
Main vocal namin umuwi na po.
Si Ate Kay po.
Touch by touch, you're my own lover. Skin to skin.
Okay na, tapos na. Next naman, next.
My fave po kayo P-pop group or idol? Yes, of course. We look up to our sun babies. Mga ate kuya.
Kuya, SB19 and Kaya.
Beanie, mga ano. Actually, we're looking forward for Sanara rin nga. Like, actually, we want to meet all other P-pop groups. So, hopefully, pag nag-Manila kami, ganun, we'll meet with them, collab.
Tanga dance cover soon. Actually, may fit kami na sobrang bagay sa tanga. Pero, wala
So,
kaming time.
Yeah, naubusan kami ng time.
Manila. Ano? Tara?
Ano?
Ayoko nang kumain.
Subukan ko
Kapausap mo? Yes, of course. We'll do our tours. Tours muna here in Davao.
Ano meaning ng hara? Hara comes from the word raha po. Raha po siya galing na word. And then yung raha, ginagamit siya dito sa Philippines no pre-colonial period. And ang meaning ng raha is elegant, strong, an empowered woman, and then royalty.
And then I have makeup on my
Screenshot nyo, bilis. 1, 2, 3.
Very diverse mga beauty niyo po. Yes, Hara! Diversity.
Kita explain ko nga si Tashi.
Ako! Yun ako!
Si Atia.
Last time, ako yung
Oo. Ay, dili man sa wala ko kanang murag si ate. Ay, magandang giano dyan. Ay, ano ang meaning ng ara?
ano to? It's a girl group.
Yeah, ako kay.
It's a girl group
Ano
po.
di? Kanang kuan. Katawan ng pantoy. Hello, guys.
Guys, may reminders lang ako. Please, wag kayong magko-comment kung anong height namin kasi mag-block ko kayo dito guys. Mamute ko kayo na eyeliner, tooth fly.
Bisaya ni tanan po.
Okay, next time, pag mag-live ako guys, watch out nyo.
Sabi,
Ano tanong?
sabi dun, sino yung pinaka-clingy? Pero I think like, same na kami lahat, clingy na kami lahat.
Hello guys. Blight.
How tall are you guys? We're a person tall.
Feel ko 5'7" ang pinakamataas.
Just
Sino
now,
nagtanong ng how tall kami?
si G.
Sino nagtanong?
Ban ka sa amin.
Block mo yan, block. Nagigigil ako. Joke po. Sa height ni Bly kung wala nakahils.
6 foot.
Kuya JM mo naka-open lagi ka kuya.
Say how much? Tagpila?
How much daw
How
ang height?
much? Ano?
No,
Tag
it's
1,000.
priceless. Priceless! Tall naman sinabi, hindi house mo lang guys.
Okay, Rana. Yes, we're
How tall am I? I think 7 inches.
See you sa Sabado?
See you. See you po.
Guys, follow all of our social media platforms para ma-update kayo sa aming mga events.
Sana nga, guys,
Sino
you'll be there on our debut. Please keep on following us. Chronically Online, ito po.
Kirby nag-insult si Bly. Layo na ni mo kuya JM. Uy.
No, not always.
Hindi niya halata na maliit ako eh.
Congrats, Rush! Ay, Ate Ja! Ay, see you po, Ate Ja! We miss you!
Hi, Ate Jala!
Sorry, we don't know.
Bunot ka tayo. Wala, sino nagsabing bunot ako? Wala na talaga, magagalit na talaga.
Parang di tayo nagpuya. Actually, yun nga, may lakad pa ako kanina, natulog ako mga 6 a.m. Then nagising 10 a.m. Yes. Guys, we're gonna end the stream in 8 minutes.
Ponsa masok ko si Bly.
Ganun.
Sige daw, sige daw.
Gusto niyo talaga makita. Ma-off tong live.
Guys, ask niyo sa kanya kung anong height niya para magaling siya.
No.
Hindi niyo, hindi niyo kung magagalit si Bly, hindi niya makikita ang live. And bigla.
Guess na lang sa height ni Bly. Okay, ang makatama sa height
Isang
ko,
piring na lang.
ang makatama sa height ko kasi
Isang
ano.
piring na lang.
4'11".
No, over.
shoelace pa yung
Over na sa
kanipis.
4'11 be.
Isang shoelace.
Actually,
Over naman sa ano. Uy, sa 4'11". 6'2". Hala! Gusto ko yung 6 foot. Sino nagsabi nun? Sino nagsabi ng 6 foot? I love you po. Ay, sabi na. Grabe naman kayo guys. Nakaka-flatter naman doon. Ano ba yan? No, Bly. Okay, all yours. 5-5 yan si Bly. Uy!
Ay, so, stop na ba tayo? Guys, fit check ako din. Fit check ako. Excuse me! Fit check, fit check.
Ano daw? Ano sabi? Tama naman, height ni Ate Bly in person, mga nasa 5'5 or 5'6, di ba? Like, I know, right? Guys, you don't have to say it. Ay, alam ko naman yung matakad ako.
Fit check kami for one last time.
Okay, who's first?
Si Yani.
Okay, go Yani.
Candidate number 1.
Chanel, Gucci, Adidas. Wala. I'll go.
Papa, eat mama.
Okay, makeup reveal.
Sila lang may gala, guys.
Tama lang talaga.
Galing ako
Bly
gala.
sa forehead kiss. Ay, ano ba? Huwag kayong ganyan.
Pagkatake niya yung skater girl.
Who's the leader? This is the leader, guys. The leader, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Ay. Sorry. Si Bly kay Y2K sa Tokyo din. Actually.
Guys, I think we're gonna have to...
Yes, magsa-solo live ako next time. Abangan nyo yan.
Ako guys, I don't know when pa ulit. Hara ay ang leader, yes? Oh.
Cute si leader, did you see?
No. Ay. Di pa ko marunong mag... Ay, saan mo binili tayo? Actually, I forgot. I'm sorry.
Wait na nag-created ko sa TikTok.
I don't know how to do alien.
Ako guys, wag niyo akong pinapa-AU kasi baka na. Ako, naman talaga.
Dalawa pa lang ang short hair. Yes, actually,
Yes.
recently lang ako nag-short hair, guys. So,
Bly, where ka gabili yung outfit mo? Actually, yung mga outfit ko guys, from my ate sa Japan. Kaya super slay siya. Super slay.
murag lang lagi ang visual ni Ay sa bunso line.
Actually, no.
Hello ko. Ay, oo, ako na lang natira sa mga ate.
Okay, ate, when ka pa alis?
Sige, bye.
Joke lang!
Akin tong phone.
Ay, sorry ah.
CEO atake ni Ay. Soon, guys, baka maging CEO.
Di ba, nansya mo?
Isa ko pa-cute, please. O, pag-cute si Tashi na yung pambato namin. Go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Kita ko daan eh.
Our Aegyo Queen. Guys, we're gonna
End the
this
live
in 2 minutes. Okay.